Good morning guys, Leon here again, posting another video of my 99 Chevy K3500 with the 6.5 diesel engine on it. Custom made downpipe, so just to take care of that nasty super bend downpipe that it comes from factory. As you guys can see, this thing is actually pretty straight. It's really not complicated. You just gotta cut the bolts up there on the bottom. I mean, not the bolts, I'm sorry for that. I mean, they actually, from the flange, you have to cut about 6 inches away from the flange. Make sure you hammer that to make it as round as you can. And I put this stainless steel pipe over here because I want no leaks whatsoever on this side of the engine. And just make sure you tighten it properly. Cut the screws from the back because they're too long once you tighten it. This pipe is a 3-inch inner diameter galvanized pipe from a semi tractor supply. I pay about 35-40 bucks for it. The whole thing with the clamps and everything was probably 60 bucks, so you guys should be okay. You just gotta cut the section off of it. Let me show you. You just gotta cut this section over here. It's about, I would say, 2 foot long. Yeah, 2 foot long. And then just install the new one in there, and your engine should be pretty good. I've been driving it around, and you can actually hear the turbo spool a lot easier. I can actually feel that she breathes better. I've been taking it to cruise on the freeway and everything, and it's just tremendous difference. It's just a big difference the way that they actually breathe, just because you install the downpipe and it has almost no restrictions going out the turbo. Alright guys, you guys take care. Any questions, just ask me. God bless you guys.